At Dashamlav Labs, we're revolutionizing oncology care. Through cutting-edge AI technology that streamlines clinical workflows, empowers doctors, and enhances both patient outcomes and experience. Our platform, OncoFlow, is an AI-powered digital workflow station. With intuitive visualization of a patient's journey, OncoFlow captures everything, from registration, diagnosis, and treatment planning to follow-ups, all in one intelligent interface. Front desk staff can easily upload documents like PET scans, CT scans, and biopsy reports. The system then automatically extracts and organizes the data, generating the patient diagnosis, summary, T&M staging, and a complete care plan, all aligned with universal clinical guidelines like AJCC. It's not just faster, it's smarter. Doctors today face an immense cognitive load. We help reduce that through what we call keyboard liberation. With just a patient ID, our system can instantly populate registration forms, eliminating manual typing and enabling smooth, frictionless documentation. With OncoAssist, doctors receive AI-generated case summaries and probable diagnosis in real time. It even performs T&M staging based on AJCC guidelines, providing clarity on tumor size, lymph node involvement, and metastasis accurately and efficiently. With Smart Prescription, clinicians can generate structured, patient-friendly prescriptions with just a few clicks. And soon, even ambient conversation during consultation will automatically fill out prescriptions, truly liberating doctors from manual data entry. Follow-up data? That gets automatically appended to the patient's existing summary, building a dynamic, evolving health record. Our AI continuously tracks disease progression and remission, empowering better decisions and ensuring true continuity of care. Need quick research? Our built-in AI research assistant retrieves relevant PubMed articles based on your specialty, instantly. You can also query your clinical data in plain English. For example, show me all simulations with the IGRT technique. Just type it. And the system takes care of the rest. It instantly generates graphs and exports clean, usable datasets. Track patient simulation and radiation status in real time. With live interactive dashboards, your entire team stays aligned, from physicists to oncologists. You can also submit histopathology or DVH files, and our system will automatically extract key data, like tumor size or dosimetric parameters, accurately and effortlessly. At Dashamlav Labs, we're redefining oncology care, one AI solution at a time. With a vision that's data-driven, patient-centric, and intelligently designed, we're building the future of cancer care today.